Alright guys, today I got an unboxing from Korea. As you can probably tell from the description, the Semapo Gear aor1 Njpc and other stuff I'll get to later in the unboxing. Alright. Alright, this looks like the Njpc. Been waiting for this. Sorry guys, it is the Njpc actually. Basically a JPC except the Navy custom version. Basically it has these flaps and it doesn't have 3 rows of molly. It has 2 and Velcro for the flaps, which is good. It's pretty nice. Alright. Semapo Gear. Good stuff. Okay. Next, we do have charge pouch. That'll get into later in the review. But basically, basic charge pouch. Semapo. Quality shit. Alright guys, I did get a 27 ounce hydration carrier that my source bladder is on the way. But basically, I wanted something for the JPC loadout, basically, aor1. I want something small and high speed that I could carry a charge or a radio or anything else I needed. Alright, basically like that. Very small, tucked in. Only carry what I need. Next, we got a aor2 Dev Grew sling. I think that's it. Pretty basic. Not basic at all, actually. Okay, let's find a way. So anyway, we got the aor2. Very nice, quality stuff. Padding seems good. Alright. We got this right here. I think it's to change the link. Like a Blue Force Gear sling, but I don't know. I'll have to get later into that. So for the JPC, this is gonna be my main carrier for now. Hyperlink is awesome. That's awesome. Alright, so basically I'm gonna put the plates in. It's gonna be my new carrier, basically. The one I'm gonna run. My go-to carrier. I did have this shellback. The NC plate carrier, but I don't know, it just wasn't working for me. I did go from a real steel plate carrier to Semapo Gear. That's just how much faith I have in it. So that's that. I'm gonna put these plates in there. They sit. I did look at reviews. It said it will fit a large plate. These are mediums. It does have stretch material right here, so it should fit. We also have on our team, a teammate of mine runs 6094 aor1 by Semapo. I looked at it, it's pretty nice. That's what really pushed me over the limit to get this. And I always did want to look into getting a JPC, so. Alright, that's with the plate. There we go. Alright, that looks really nice. Charge pouch. And